I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it from me. If you're looking to enable spot trading on Binance, follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Create an account. If you haven't already, go to the Binance website and sign up for an account. You'll need to provide your email address and create a password. Step 2. Complete KYC verification. To trade, you must complete the Know Your Customer KYC verification. This usually involves uploading a government-issued ID and a selfie. Step 3. Enable spot trading. Once your account is verified, log in and navigate to the wallet section. Look for the spot option and click to enable it. Step 4. Fund your account. Before you can trade, you need to deposit funds. Go to the deposit section, select your preferred cryptocurrency or fiat, and follow the instructions to add funds. Step 5. Start trading. Now that your account is funded, head to the markets section. Choose the trading pair you want to trade and click on it to start placing orders. Remember, if you don't see the spot option, double check that your KYC is fully completed. Happy trading!